Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start in the designer because this is the only reliable way to rename a label control. Once your form is open, click the label so it becomes selected. Make sure the properties window is visible. If not, press F4. You do this because the control's identifier lives in the name, property, not in the displayed text. Immediately proceed to the Properties pane to change the name value. This keeps code behind references intact and prevents runtime errors. Once the Properties window shows the control, focus the name property. It's usually at the top. Change the identifier to a valid C# name, for example, my label or LBL status. Make sure to avoid spaces and punctuation. After typing, press Enter so Visual Studio can update the designer-generated code and references. This is why you must use the designer. It rewrites initialize component and keeps event hookups consistent. If you had event handlers, Visual Studio will attempt to complete the rename by rebuilding the project right away. A build reveals broken references. Once done, use Find in Files to search for the old control name because manual code or comments might still reference it. Make sure to update those occurrences. Finally, run the app and test the UI and any event handlers bound to that label. Troubleshooting tip: if you see missing reference errors, undo, rename again in the designer, and verify designer. CS or XAML. CS was updated correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.